Hi, my name is Vincent, and I'm a research advocate here at Rasa. And at Rasa, we love good virtual assistants. And that is why we research algorithms to help create them. These algorithms can be complex though, and the field of natural language is only expanding. And we want to make sure that the algorithms under the hood of these assistants that they're well understood by developers. So that is why we're creating a new playlist on our YouTube channel, and we're calling it the Algorithm Whiteboard. It'll be a place for us to share our research results, but also a place where we can explain algorithms in general. This channel will feature many drawings for intuition, and we will also make sure that once in a while we dive into the code. We don't want to do too much maths in this channel, but we will do our best to make sure algorithms are understood. We won't just be demonstrating our own research. We'll touch on many topics in natural language processing here in general. If there's content that you'd love to see here, feel free to reach out on our community forum and let us know what you would love to see. We hope that you'll enjoy the content in this channel. See you around!